Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana, and yes, it has been a hot minute since I posted a video, but I decided if other shows can take a hiatus, then I deserved a hiatus too, so I took one. But now I'm back and I'm ready to share another recipe with you. It is a first time recipe, and I thought I would take it back to the beginning when I was making doughs. This is a recipe that I adapted from one I found on Epicurious, and it is Greek yogurt and scallion biscuits. It is so easy and so delicious. So let's get started.
All right, so I'm going to preheat the oven to 425, and then we're going to start with our flour. Add the salt and pepper, and the baking powder and baking soda. And then I'm going to lightly whisk it all together. And now it's time to add the chilled butter. I'm going to toss the butter to coat it, and then using my hands, I'm going to incorporate the butter into the dry mixture until there's a lot of flat pieces and pea-sized pieces. Now it's time to add the scallions. I'm going to lightly whisk these in to make sure they're incorporated. Next, it's time to create a well so we can add the Greek yogurt. Voila! Now we're going to use a fork to work in circles and incorporate the Greek yogurt until it forms a shaggy dough. And now I have my lightly floured work surface ready for the dough to be turned out and kneaded together. Next, I'm going to work the dough into a rectangle shape about 1 inch thick. And now, starting from the short end, I'm going to fold it 3 times like a letter and then repeat the process once. And then I'm going to work it back into the 1 inch thick rectangle, and it's time to cut. And here I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready for my beautiful biscuits. Next, I'm going to brush the tops with the melted butter. Into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Just look at these beautiful biscuits ready for the taste test.
There is our beautiful Greek yogurt and chive biscuit topped with my homemade sausage gravy. I will share that recipe someday in the future, but for now you can head over to Lisa's Always Cooking YouTube page. I'll include that. And she has a great recipe for homemade sausage gravy. But now it's time for the taste test by our favorite taste tester, Dan.
All right, I can't wait any longer. All right, little biscuits and gravy action.
Remember, you're letting us know what the biscuit tastes like. This is the first time I made it.
First of all, the biscuit's amazing. I would eat these biscuits on their own, and the gravy happens to be amazing as well. But the biscuits are moist. They have a nice crunchy outside. They have a little bit of different tang and moisture from the yogurt. It's really good.
Great. I'm happy with that. You heard him. They are delicious and they are super, super easy to make, which is always a plus. So I hope you give them a try. Please let me know if you do. Also, if you want a delicious recipe for sausage gravy, head over to Lisa's Always Cooking. I'll include it in the comments below or in the description below. She has a great video. She has great videos anyway, great recipes that she makes, but she has an especially delicious sausage gravy one. So I can't wait to try that one actually. But until next week, please don't forget to like and easy for me to say, like and subscribe and tell your friends and spread the word. And if you have a recipe that you want me to try, because I love trying recipes, please share it below.